go again. Rolex. Look at that right there. GMT man. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. Now check this out, right? I want to give a shout out to Rhost Coffee, some of the best coffee in the game today. You don't believe me? Check them out on Instagram. Go online, check them out. Go to their website. I'll leave a link down in the description. This is some of the best coffee that I've ever tasted, no doubt. And I'm a coffee drinker. You know what I mean? Gross, especially the Ethiopian. Those who know about Ethiopian coffees know what I'm talking about. So holler at me. We're gonna get into this unboxing. People, fresh in, you know what I mean? New watch unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I've been waiting on this for about damn near 3 weeks, I think. But due to all the snow and all the issues with the post office, and you know, it just finally came. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Never pay retail. Now, if you know what that means, you know where this box came from. You know what I mean? So, my receipt. Let's get it. And here it is, yo. Here it is. And of course, this came from the legendary Joma shop. All right. Exclusive code, $20 off. All right, let's move this shit out the way. Now let's get it. Seiko. Yes. It's a freaking Seiko. Like I said, I've been waiting on this, anticipating it, and we're about to get into it. Let's open him up. Come out the box. There he is. Cool. All right, y'all ready? Bang! That's right, the Flightmaster is in the building. You know what I mean? Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. You know, check that out. Bracelet look okay. A lot of people don't like the bracelet on this, but it look all right. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'll rock it at least once, you know. But yeah, it's the Seiko Flightmaster. Check him out. You know what I'm saying? Now we're about to do my least favorite thing when it comes to these watches is take off the freaking plastic. I hate this because I can never get it off correctly. But it looks like I'm having no problems right now. Not yet anyway. So, let's see, let's go this way. See, that's what I'm saying, like, how that one little part just, man, look. That one little part just broke out from the whole thing. That's butt, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, well, is that all of it? Let's go ahead and cut this off. So, bang, cow, Seiko. And here is the reference number, SNA411 in the building. All right, still some on the back. Here we go. All right, cool. I think I got it all now. I think I got it all. Do we got some on the back here? Nope. Do we got anything on the crystal? Nope. All right, cool. Well, we're ready to look into this joint. Oh, I like that smooth bezel action. I like that. I'm feeling that. You know what I'm saying? Lines up perfectly. You know, this is really like my my itch for a Breitling Navitimer. You know what I mean? This thing looks great. Trying to tell y'all something. It looks great. So let's go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick and see what's up. Before we do that, I am rocking the classic Hamilton khaki. You know what I mean? On a Strapsco strap. A strap, this is Desare Strapsco, Desare nylon quick release strap. That's what this one is. And it's dope. And it goes perfect with my khaki. But let's put this Seiko. Here we go. Flighty on the wrist. My man Miguel said I would love this watch, and he ain't lied, bro. He did not tell one freaking lie. I probably need to take a link or two out of this one. A lot of real estate in there, so, you know. Seiko Flightmaster. Get into it, y'all. This your boy P. Ross, and I'm out. Review coming soon on this joint. Peace.